Alright guys, welcome to your favorite channel, Edove Media Reviews. Alright, for today, we will be reviewing, before I go forward please, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. It's very key, it's very important to us please, okay, for our growth, for encouragement, and then so that we can keep doing this please. Today we will be reviewing a product, a wireless mic. We have a couple of wireless microphones out there, standard microphones, but the problem is some of these microphones are quite expensive. They are on the high side. Okay, these are beautiful mics, production quality, everything is on point. But there are newbies out there, upcoming film makers and documentary makers out there who really want to lay their hands on this equipment but cannot because these are way beyond their budgets. So we decided to make a little research, and then we were able to come across a wireless mic at least that can serve two people at a time. This is a wireless mic, MAMEN, in our English, in our language, we call it MAMEN. This is my man. So I decided to make a little research, and then I was able to lay my hands on this. The beautiful thing about this mic is that it has two body packs, like two people can use this mic at a time, two different people. So it will be very nice for interviews whereby you need to hear from the person interviewing and then the person the respondent, okay. And then it has one receiver which goes straight to the camera. It comes with collar microphone, and then 3.5 mm mini plug jack, which that's the one that goes to your camera. Then it comes with a USB cable, yep, and then 3.5 mm XLR in case you want to use it with a mixer or something like that. And then it has a clip, hot shoe base, with which you can mount the receiver on your camera, and then the belt clips. Right now I'm using a wired mic straight to the camera to talk. So after this unboxing and the review, I would switch to this microphone, and then we will see the difference in production, and then we can judge by ourselves. All right, so straight to the unboxing. MAMEN WMIC-01. That's the product we are reviewing today. And then guys, okay, so I'm gonna be opening this up. This comes with quite a beautiful box, a black box. Comes with this very comprehensive manual written in several languages of the world. Very solid case. So this is MAMEN. Now we mentioned something about the USB cable. What is it used for? I don't know. Not yet. Maybe we'll find out later on. This is one of the 3.5 mm cables. All right, like it came with two of these. Now one on it is written for phone. The other is mic. This, if you want to use the mic with your mobile phone, you can easily connect it to your mobile phone and use. And then if you want to connect to your camera, this is the one for it. It has two mics, okay, both with 3.5 mm jack. This right here is the receiver. This one goes direct to the camera, okay. It has a battery compartment where you can insert your batteries. It uses AA batteries, so you basically just insert it and then you power it on. We have the two, by the way, very nice fluffy whatever, very nice. It's quite protective case. All right, we have the two body mics. The two mics, from what I discovered from in the manual, you have to switch to mono if you're using only one, and then to stereo if you're using the two. The texture is made with a little bit of nice material. I think it's a bit solid kind of. It has 4 buttons on it: the power button, the set button, the volume up or down. You can also use the volume up or down button to select your menu. We will need to connect this, and we also go for a few tests to see the production quality, the range it can cover, and then at what point will it start breaking when you start recording. This is the body pack, and then this is the mic. So we have to connect the mic to this. Let me get some batteries for this. All right, so batteries in. So we power on. Press and hold for some seconds to power on. automatically it pairs with this if you power this on. So I'm going to insert batteries in this too. That's the receiver. All right. Or I'm going to power this on as well. Okay, so we up, and automatically they will pair. It's up-paired now, same frequency, same channel. It has low cut function, whereby all noises below 10 dB, it faces them out. So you don't have to start fighting during your post-production about how to cut your noises down. There are two jacks here, line out and your headphone jack. So the headphone jack is for you to monitor your audio. So when you connect this to the camera, so I'm going to connect this to line out. So when you connect this to the camera, you can just put your headphone on to monitor your sound, see how it goes. Okay, that's one of the beautiful things about this jack, though inexpensive. The receiver also comes with the hot shoe mount. So this can be a bit tricky. To insert this on here can be a bit tricky. But first of all, you need to mount the belt clips on the holes beside the mic, both the receiver and the body mic, and you have to be very, very careful so you don't break it. Okay, so the way to go about it is this: you turn it upside down, then this, you put it in here. Okay, drive it all the way down until it clicks. That's it, and then you put this on your camera straight up. So right now I am using a wired mic. I will be switching to this mic so we can compare between the two. Testing the range of the MAMEN microphone right now. I'm going to have to walk down that way to see at what point we're going to have to start losing sounds. All right, so I'm off, guys. All right, if you can still hear me, I am about 30 meters away from the river right now. So still walking down. Yeah, you can tricycle. Okay, about 50 meters, right? And I'm still proceeding. Okay.
I have lost it.
Okay.
I can't hear you.
Okay.
That means you want to run mad.
Okay, so from my monitor now, I'm hearing the fact that it's cracking. It's starting to crack. Okay, so let me walk back. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. So let me know at what point it starts. All right, hello. So, okay, so I'm coming in again right now. Is my voice clear right now? It's clear right now. So let me back out again. Let's see. All right. So I'm backing out, and it's cracking. Okay, let's see if the sound goes off completely. Okay, so sound is off now. So this is about okay, not really up to 100 meters, and then is my voice coming in again? My voice is coming in again.
You lost it and you came back again.
Okay, so am I loud and clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so keep going. I'm still back.
You know.
You can hear now. So guys, this covers about only about 50 meters. About 50 meters variably. So that kind of whatever that needs to be done, maybe channel fixed or something like that, but I think it's about 50 meters out. Okay, so basically that's it, guys. I'm coming back to my camera right now, and then how's it sound? It's coming clearer now. Very clear now. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's it about the feed test for the MAMEN wireless microphone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.